Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my ENCOMLI Dimmable Plug-in Wall Lamp. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it installed and I'll show you how it turned out. To install the wall lamp, there are two different options. The first one is I can plug it into the wall on an outlet, or I can do a hardwire installation. This is a really neat feature because it is also very user-friendly. Even if you're not familiar with how to do a hardwire installation, you can still use this lamp with the wall plug-in option. Also, if you need to move the lamp around to a different room, it is much easier and more convenient to be able to mount it somewhere else. All right, the lamp is installed, so let's take a closer look. I really like the black and the gold combination and also the brass finish. It gives it an elegant look. I also noticed that the lamp is adjustable up to 270 degrees up or down, as well as left and right 180 degrees. So I can move it around whenever I need to. Another feature that makes this lamp different than many others out there is that it isn't just an on and off switch. It is actually dimmable. At the lowest setting, I can go all the way to 10%. And then at the highest setting, I can go to full brightness at 100%. By the way, it doesn't come with the light bulb, so make sure you have one on hand to be able to use this lamp. Overall, I am enjoying all the different features that come with this lamp compared to the other lamps that I've used before. If you are in the market for an adjustable, dimmable wall lamp, come take a look at this.